Did someone mention that you appear angry? That you have expression lines? Maybe the lines between your eyebrows are bothering you. Don't worry, I can help. Stick with me and I'll teach you a fantastic Korean technique and massage that will effectively eliminate those pesky lines. We will start with 4 routines specifically designed to address the issue of frown lines, which are of utmost importance. This is the primary objective. At night. If you want to do it in the morning, that's fine as well. You can do it both times, but it's best at night. Why? In order to improve sleep quality, it is essential to relax and keep your facial muscles relaxed, ensuring a smoother and more restful night. Alright, now we can begin. Our focus will be on using our thumbs effectively. Here they are. Do you require oil or do you not? You don't necessarily require oil in its entirety. We will apply pressure, so we will apply pressure to the crease between the eyebrows and at this spot. Is it excessively challenging? Simply employ your index fingers. The pressure goes here. Look at how I place the nails. I will incline myself downward and slightly lean back, creating a sensation of pressing backward as if to lean back. Here I will apply some pressure and I'll pull slightly upward. You can see me, right? Are you doing it? Great, good. Let's carry out this exercise for approximately 30 seconds, shall we? This activity can assist in developing skills. It relieves some of that pressure and we're going to break that sensation and the muscles. So we will apply pressure to. Let's move on to the next exercise to lighten the atmosphere. However, prior to starting the second exercise, I think it's crucial to address something. Did we just utilize our thumbs for the previous task? And were we exerting an upward force with them? Okay, let's take 3 breaths while pressing. Inhale, exhale. Again, let it out. And 3. Now relax your fingers. Now let's move to the second. What will we do? With what? With the knuckles? Okay, important. Let's start. Watch how we begin. We're going to the sides of the nose. Let's start here. From the start of the nose. 1, 2. Right here. Robejo will tell me. But go up like this. Take a little oil as we are here. I already have my face a bit oiled. But well, let's position the knuckles exactly right here. Bring them a little closer. And let's start. Here, we will go upward. And don't stop here. Go all the way to the top. To where the hair begins. Okay? Be cautious not to inadvertently apply pressure on your eyes. However, take note. Apply firm pressure using your knuckles. And go up. What should we do as well? Relieve the tension in our muscles. Okay? And we're going to smooth out the lines between the eyebrows. Because notice that we are smoothing. We are. Okay? Reinforcing a little. There, in that part. Let's continue with the second. Now let's do the third. The last one we did was for a minute, just like the next. We're going to use 2 fingers. Alright, let's go to the space between the eyebrows. And from here, we'll do 2 circular motions. We've already relaxed some muscles. Let's suavely circle the area surrounding the eyes, including the brows. And we're going to do approximately 20. If you do it, you'll see it's very pleasant. Also, we possess the oil. Furthermore, as you turn your focus inward, observe my actions closely. Watch as my fingers gradually open up and extend. Spread your fingers. And this way, we cover more of the forehead. Here we go. Excellent. Let's proceed to the next, 4th routine we're going to do, and the last one before the Korean massage. Okay? Use all your fingers. If not possible, use 3. If that's not feasible, use 4. Do you understand? We only have a small amount of oil available. Let's collect some of it here. Is that fine? Engage all fingers in the process. And we come here to this spot. We start at the eyebrows. Pow, 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 putting all 4 on both sides. And also for about a minute. We're going to move upward, alright? Applying pressure with the fingers. We're going to activate the collagen in the skin a bit. Alright? As if trying to bring it out. Always aim for the top, not downwards. Always upwards. That would be about it. Taking roughly a minute or so. If you take a short break and let your arms rest, that's perfectly fine. And this is it. Now we'll proceed to the Korean massage. The wrinkles between the eyebrows, also known as glabellar lines, are vertical lines that appear between the eyebrows. The reason for their appearance is primarily the repetitive contraction of the facial muscles. A varying degree of their presence can be found in approximately 80% of individuals aged 35 and above. If they appear early or are very pronounced, they might be linked to conditions like bursitis or chronic stress. Furthermore, the passing of time and the reduction in skin elasticity are both of great importance. These massages will be beneficial for that. Let's proceed with the Korean massage and with 2 small spoons. Got it? For what? To feel cool. To relieve tension in the brow area. How do we start? Just watch. A little bit of oil. We can apply it here. Use your fingertip first. And so. And notice how I'm doing it. Okay? On one side, what? And then on the other. Okay? Excellent. There. Try not to let it drip too much. We all have this at our homes, don't we? Well, that's it. Absolutely perfect. All right then, let's get started on it. How do we place it? Okay? It should be a bit on the edge too. Don't forget this. All right? Let's go. Excellent. Good. Let's visualize a scenario where the temperature reaches 45 degrees, both here and there. In this context, our objective is to softly diminish the prominence of the lines, primarily focusing on the lateral ones. All right, are you ready? Let's try something to lessen that feeling of being a little upset in this vast world, shall we? Just keep in mind that we'll start by focusing on the forehead, specifically on the sidelines, tilted at a 45-degree angle, and towards the top. Got it? Here, help yourself with your thumbs a bit. There. Okay? Like you're opening something. Here, all right? And to the sides, a line. See how they're like diagonals? All right, let's do this. At least 10 times. This massage has 3 steps. We talked about eliminating lines. Now, see what we're going to do, starting from the forehead, which is the origin point. We'll go towards the temples, all right? To help relax the muscles. Right here. Correct. Perfect. Do it a minimum of 10 times. Understood? Good. It feels cool, doesn't it? A little on the face. Sleep soundly after receiving this incredible massage. Trust me. Here. And lastly, we were here opening. Now we're going to do it laterally upwards, okay? Hence, we're going to work on circulation too. You can hold it this way. You can grab it like this. Whatever is more comfortable for you. To the top. Okay? Do it at least 10 times. And tell me in the comments how this fantastic Korean massage works for you. What benefits above all? Reduction of wrinkles, we release tension, and it tones the skin. Those are the benefits of this perfect Korean massage. We finish with a very important point. I don't know if you know it. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. It's called Yinan. It's the point on the forehead. Does the name ring a bell? Well, you know where it is, right? You can imagine it. Right here in the middle. Okay? Exactly in the center. If you bring your eyebrows here, boom. Move up the nose and also between the eyebrows. Right there. I want you to work on this point. Focus. Hear me out. Slightly close your eyes. Got it? Hold both index fingers. Start to press a little. Open your mouth a little. Relax your jaw. Now, make circular motions. Doing it together with someone else is completely acceptable, as the main goal is to relieve tension in the muscles in your forehead. I also suggest doing this exercise. What do we have planned for the night before going to bed? It will enhance circulation slightly. It will relax the forehead a lot. The eye muscle area will also relax. And besides getting rid of the forehead lines, you'll sleep better as well. So, notice these wonderful techniques I've brought you to help reduce this line on your forehead so you don't look like it's commonly unhappy. We've constantly removed wrinkles from the forehead. Don't forget to perform it regularly. In most cases, you can postpone it until tomorrow evening, but consistently during nighttime. 4 or 5 weeks. If you're concerned about the wrinkles on your forehead, but at the same time want to get rid of those lines around your nose and mouth, well, we have a great video that will help you a lot to get rid of this. As always, view the video and until healing and beyond.